Remember how Chijioke went to work in a mechanic workshop after school? Well, he was not the only one doing an apprentice during our time in Enugu. Ezenwa himself went to learn how to fix phones, and today was the day to say goodbye to his Oga. He never wore his red cap to work, so some of the guys were surprised to see him as chief. But of course, some of them also knew him from social media. Nevertheless, they had welcomed him with open arms. Especially this man right here.
Hello.
He allowed Ezenwa to sit in his shop and learn his trade.
Hello.
Oh, guys.
And not only did he learn a new skill, he also made some friends here. And since we are leaving, it is time to say goodbye to them too.
You're big Oga.
Yeah, you bought this standing video. You're my Oga here.
I know.
Okay, I see that I'm doing good.
How about you, TJ?
But I didn't want to leave without an assessment of the performance.
Was he a good worker?
Yes.
Are you sure? A good learner?
Yes.
Huh?
You learn quick.
Quick.
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
Gee.
Yeah.
What I think, Ezenwa is not losing concentration. We are talking. Ezenwa, chief.
Ezenwa is not losing
You say
concentration. Ezenwa is a nice guy.
it's
I learn quick.
okay.
Yes.
In the beginning, nobody wants to take him in as a student.
Yes,
Only you.
because I'm like a big man. I'm too big for this. You know? Yes. That's this man took me. My Oga. He let me how to fix phones. So if I go back to Switzerland now, I'll start to fix my own phone. And my friend's phone. Yes. Before,
We are never too old to learn something new and make new friends.